Team, welcome to another episode of Ask Top, sponsored by MentorMilitary.com. And today I've got a special edition for you. We're going to talk about the M&P EZ models and how to fix a slide that hangs up on the weapon. And there's two issues that can cause that problem, and we're going to talk about both of them. But first, please do me a favor, reach down, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. Tell me something you'd like to see in videos in the future. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure the weapon is clear. Weapon's clear. Now we're going to attempt to disassemble it, and when we disassemble it, we're going to hold down this rear safety. That's the mistake. Never depress this when you're trying to disassemble the weapon. But we're going to go ahead and do that. So it's depressed. I lock the slide back. I rotate the selector to move the slide forward, and it hangs up. So you can take a rubber mallet, and sometimes you can just push on it really hard and it'll slide right off. So that's the first issue. The second issue comes into play with the barrel spring. If you notice, the barrel spring has two half circle sides and two flat sides. The barrel has a half circle side to it. So in order to make the barrel function properly, you have to put the half circle side of the spring into the half circle side of the barrel, and it'll function fine. If you make the mistake and put the flat piece down, your barrel will not come off, and I mean it will not come off. So let's go ahead and see what's going on here with it, and let me show you how to fix it. Took me a little while to figure this one out, and I haven't seen anything on the internet that describes how to fix it, so I wanted to get this out there for you. Okay, so what's going to happen is the slide's not going to want to go forward. So what you do is you grab the spring rod right here and you rotate it till you get the half circle shape into that groove in the back of the barrel. So simply grab this, usually a pair of vice grips would be better, and you just rotate it. Now that semicircle should be in the semicircle of the barrel. Let's see what we got. Okay, it'll come off. So usually when you have that issue, it will not come off. So again, real quick, when you are taking this puppy apart, do not depress the back, as when you go to disassemble it, you're going to have to pop it pretty hard to get it off. And finally, make sure the semicircle piece of the barrel assembly, or not barrel assembly, the spring rod is in the semicircle part of the barrel. And that, my friends, will solve your problems. Hey, how about hit that subscribe button, give us a like, tell us what you want to see in the future, and until next time, stay safe and stay healthy.